In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to review Base44. Base44 is an innovative AI-powered no-code app builder that simplifies the process of creating web apps, dashboards, and automation tools by using easy-to-understand text prompts. It's an exciting tool targeted at a wide array of users, including beginners, founders, and creators who are keen on developing functional software solutions without diving into complex programming. Let me give you an idea of what Base44 does and who it's best suited for. This technology is perfect if you're just starting out in the world of app development, or if you're a creator wishing to build something unique without the hassle of coding. To give you a few specific examples, during my time with Base44, I successfully built a task management app from scratch. I also tested its powerful AI chatbot builder and created a streamlined CRM dashboard. Providing concrete examples like these doesn't just break down my experience, it helps establish credibility, showing you exactly what this tool is capable of achieving. Now let's discuss the features I really liked about Base44. First off, the platform excels at fast AI app generation. The ability to build robust applications swiftly through prompt-based inputs is incredibly appealing, especially for those of us who don't have a coding background. There's also the convenience of having a built-in database and a user-friendly interface that simplifies everything. Base44 is particularly great for developing MVPs, that is, minimum viable products, and prototypes due to the rapid deployment it offers. All these factors contribute to making the tool particularly appealing and easy to recommend. Of course, every tool has its limitations, and Base44 is no exception. In my review, I'd be remiss not to mention a few areas that could use improvement. One limitation is the level of customization available. While it's sufficient for many tasks, it doesn't match up to what you'd be able to do with coding from the ground up. The AI component can also sometimes misinterpret prompts, which can require adjustments and attempts. Building more complex applications may need multiple iterations to achieve desired results, and some users might find the UI adjustments to be a tad restricted. Additionally, even though it's designed for ease of use, there is a learning curve involved, particularly for those interested in advanced workflows. Finally, evaluating its ease of use is essential. Base44 truly shines in this area. It's quite beginner-friendly. You could potentially build a basic app in under 10 minutes with minimal guidance. However, mastering advanced workflows will demand practice, since the interface, while intuitive, doesn't navigate those complexities alone. This means a bit of patience and trial and error will benefit advanced users looking to explore its full potential. By considering these aspects, you can make a thorough review of Base44, capturing its strengths and acknowledging its areas for improvement.